Okay, guys, as you can see, poster, marker. It's all right. We're gonna go get some tape in a minute. First, hi guys. Hold it.
I thought that was an L and a line.
Okay, guys, it's on. Honk for good luck. Now, we just called my grandma, and she's gonna text her saying my uncle has fireworks over there, and Nathan should come over and see them. He just bought new fireworks for the 4th of July. And she's gonna say, come on, Nathan, we're gonna ride over there, blah, blah, blah. And then what she's not gonna know is I've made this sign on the back that says honk for good luck. And the whole way over here, she's gonna be honked at. Now, it was kind of poorly put on. I'm sorry about that, you know. It's kind of a struggle to do it with these. It got kind of cut up so the license plate didn't get covered, but yeah. Hopefully my mom doesn't know this. My grandma just called. Now I gotta set up the phone.
I'll be back here. Don't do that.
Well, they're honking at us.
Well, just because I wasn't going fast enough. Jeez. What'd you do, Abby? I thought it was my ass.
Laughing at you for screaming. If you were going a little bit faster, maybe they wouldn't know.
What are you all laughing at?
Alright guys, it ended up raining, so I didn't get to do it on my dad, but he still doesn't know about the prank, so we still have a chance in doing it to him. That will probably be in part 2, which will be coming out soon. I'm sorry this was like a short video. We didn't go on a busy road, like I said, and it started raining. I didn't want it to fall off the car or something, so we'll just have to do it another day. It's alright though. That will be in part 2 definitely. I'll have a part 2, and that prank will be on my dad. Like I said, I'm sorry this was a short video and only one person honked. But guys, we actually did go out to eat.
Hi guys, we actually did go out to eat and it started raining, so my prank failed on my dad.
So I didn't get to record much. I did get us going out to eat though. I did get us arriving at IHOP. I did get some time lapses like there and stuff, but like I said, we were gonna do it on the way back from IHOP. We actually ended up going out to eat. But it started raining, so I didn't get to do it on the way back like we planned on. But I did record us going out there, and I recorded us arriving at IHOP. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.